Welcome back to 20 Car. Not all luxury is created equal. Some cars are merely expensive, draped in leather and adorned with chrome. But the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended Concept? It transcends mere wealth. It is an empire on wheels, a rolling sanctuary for those who command the world from behind its silent doors. A presence that whispers power. The iconic Pantheon grille, now subtly illuminated, announces its arrival not with noise, but with a celestial glow. Hand-polished aluminum accents gleam under moonlight, while the extended wheelbase stretches impossibly long, a silhouette of authority, poised like a grand yacht docked in Monte Carlo, where time stands still. Step inside, and reality fades. Hand-woven silk panels, open-pore walnut, and a starlit headliner mimic the constellations above. The dashboard isn't just digital, it's the gallery, an exhibition of bespoke artwork, commissioned by the owner, encased behind glass. The rear seats? Reclining thrones wrapped in cashmere-infused leather, massaging their occupants as they sip chilled Dom Pérignon from the built-in champagne cooler. Effortless power, absolute silence, a 6.75 liters twin-turbo V12, whisper quiet yet commanding 600 horsepower, moves this grand machine with the grace of a private jet. 0 to 100 kilometers height in 5.1 seconds? Yes, but such trivial statistics mean nothing to Phantom owners. They measure luxury in serenity, presence, and the envy of those left behind. A price fit for royalty. Expect a starting price north of $650,000, plus the limitless costs of bespoke customization. The Bentley Mulsanne and Maybach S-Class bow in its presence. A Rolls-Royce isn't driven. It is experienced. And for the select few, the 2025 Phantom Extended is waiting.